fixed my wig, y'all. This is my little $5 wig I did in my last haul, you know, but let's see, get back. So, welcome to part two, and in this video, I'm doing a dupe of the what? Birkenstock. Hope I'm pronouncing right. Now, anybody that wears sandals, y'all know what the Birkenstocks look like. Now, these I purchased from Gabe's for $12.99. These are the Birkenstocks. Y'all know these. You know, those are the Birkenstocks. From Gabe's, check them out. But these ones, these are also a dupe of the Birkenstock, but the Sharings. I believe that's what they're called. The Sharelings. And these ones, let me get the little, they be putting all types of weird stuff on their stuff. Hold on, y'all. Like, Walmart, do we really need all this paper? Save a tree. Stop putting all this darn paper on everything. Anyway, back to the program. These are the Birkenstocks with the fur. See, they still got the little buckles and stuff like that. These are $13.98, but they have the fur in the inside, and they're so pretty. Why am I whispering? They're so cute, and they have them in different colors. If y'all know the real ones, they're like hundreds and hundreds of dollars. You know, we're bougie on a budget. I'm just not spending that much on, you know, shoes, me personally. So yeah, these are the furry ones. They got the cheetah kind. Okay. Same price. They're the dupes of the Birkenstock, guys. Don't sleep on them. They also got the camel ones with the fur. They didn't have my size because, you know, sometimes Walmart, you know, you gotta be there, be early when them things drop, because the big sizes always go first. That's nothing new. And they have these ones. They're like Snow White bunnies. They're so pretty. And these are 11, 12, because y'all know I have big feet. And they're so pretty. The question is, how long are these gonna last? Because I'm not good with white shoes, especially like sandals. So, you know, we're gonna cross our fingers. Yeah, guys, these are the dupes of the Birkenstocks. So if you're interested in these type of shoes with the, you know, the two buckles and stuff like that, and you want to pay a very, very, very reduced price, definitely hit up Gabe's, and definitely check out Walmart. I'm gonna make sure I link everything down below for part one and part two of this video. And once again, thank you guys for viewing my video. Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.